Today's lesson is about farm animals. I will give examples of farm animals. Farm animals are animals that is raised and kept for agricultural purposes. Goat, sheep, chicken, cattle, pig, horse, goose, duck, turkey, rabbit, quail, llama, fish, birds, mule, kuni, cat, honeybee, bison, pheasant, emu, camel, carabao, guinea pig. Livestock provide meat, milk, eggs, and other products for human consumption. Income generation, selling animals and their products is a source of income. Animal waste enriches soil as organic fertilizer. Those are just few of the reasons why farm animals are important. Hope you liked today's lessons. I'm your teacher Paula. You did a great job and I'll see you for more.